Hello kids! Today we learn some colors name. Light green color, sky blue color, grey color, black color, orange color, red color, violet color, blue color, yellow color, dark green color, brown color, pink color. Capital C. We learn capital C. C. C is for cake. C. C is for candle. C. C. C is for cake. C is for candle. C. C. Capital letter C, small letter C. 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 Capital letter C, small letter C. We draw C for cake. Cake. Now we draw candle. C. C for candle. Now we color in the cake. Now we color a beautiful candle. Hello kids! Today we learn some colors name and alphabets. Brown color, dark green color, purple color, black color, pink color, red color, orange color, light green color, blue color, yellow color, white color. Now we will learn alphabets with some beautiful colors. A. A is for aeroplane. B. B is for banana. C. C is for cake. D. D is for dolphin. E. E is for elephant. F. F. F is for fish. G. G is for glass. G is for glass. H. H is for horse. H is for horse. I. I is for igloo. I is for igloo. J. J is for J. J is for jacket. K. K. K is for kangaroo. L. L. L is for lion. M. M. M is for moon. M is for moon. N. N. N is for noodles. N is for noodles. O. O. O is for orange. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O. P is for parrot. P is for parrot. Q. Q. Q is for queen. Q is for queen. R. R. R is for rainbow. S. S. S is for snake. T. T. T is for telephone. U. U. U is for uniform. U is for uniform. V. V. V is for van. W. W. W is for window. X is for xylophone. Y. Y is for yo-yo. Z. Z. Z is for zero. P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Bye kids. Please like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video.